Good day, my dear students. Welcome to our cookery class. For our first lesson, we will talk about preparing egg dishes. So before that, what is mise en place? So again, mise en place, that is a French culinary phrase which means putting in place or everything in its place. It refers to the setup required before cooking and is often used in professional kitchens to refer to organizing and arranging the ingredients that a cook will require for the menu items that are expected to be prepared during a shift. Meaning class, before you proceed to cooking, you need to prepare all the necessary ingredients, all the tools to be used in preparing a specific type of dish. Okay. In the preparation of egg dishes, the first consideration is to identify the needed tools and equipment and how to clean and sanitize them after each use. So again, what is kitchen tools? Okay, kitchen tools, it is a small handheld tool used for food preparation. Let's have channel knife. Okay, channel knife, a small hand tool used generally in decorative work such as making garnishes. So meaning, channel knife is designed for creating garnishes. Next, colander. A colander, it is a perforated bowl of varying sizes made of stainless steel or aluminum or plastic used to drain, wash, or cook ingredients from liquid. So usually we use this in draining pasta. Next, we have offset spatula. Offset spatula class, it is a broad-bladed implement bent to keep the hand off hot surfaces. It is used for turning and lifting eggs, pancakes, and meats on griddles, grills, sheet pans, and the likes, and also used to scrape and clean griddles. So it is used in lifting eggs in pans, or it can be used in lifting pancakes or meats. Next, we have pastry brush. Pastry brush, that is a small implement used to brush the surface of unbaked pastries or cookies with egg white, egg yolk, or glaze. So, it can be used in applying sauces as well. We have rubber, spatula, or scraper. So, rubber spatula or scraper, it is a broad, flexible plastic or rubber scraper that is rectangular in shape with a curve on one side. It is used to scrape off all the contents of bowls and pans from the sides and fold in beaten eggs in butter or whipped cream. So usually class, we use rubber spatula or scraper in folding ingredients. Next, we have turner. Turner, it is a cooking utensil having a flat, flexible, and hand-long handle. It is used for turning or serving food. So do not be mistaken with rubber scraper, with a spatula, and with a turner. So those are different tools with a different purposes. Okay. Next, we have sieve. Sieve, it is a screen-type mesh supported by a round metal frame used for sifting dry ingredients like starch and flour. So it is mainly used for sifting ingredients for us to achieve a fine texture. For example, we're preparing cakes, so to achieve a fine texture, we need to sieve all the dry ingredients. Ayan. So next, we have spoons. We have solid, slatted, and perforated. So those are large stainless spoons holding about 3 ounces used for mixing, stirring, and serving. Slatted and perforated spoons are large, long-handled spoons with holes in the bowl used to remove larger solid particles from liquids. Okay, so as you can see, on the left side we have solid, at the middle we have slatted, and then on the right side, we have perforated. Next, wire whip or whisk. So this is a device with loops of stainless steel wire fastened to a handle. It is used for blending, mixing, whipping eggs or butter, and for blending gravies, sauces, and soups. Next, we have egg poacher. It is a miniature bain-marie with an upper dish containing indentation each size to hold an egg or contains a separate device for poaching. Of course, it is designed for poaching egg. Next, we have omelette pan. That is a heavy base frying usually of cast iron or copper with rounded sloping sides used exclusively for omelette and never wash after use but clean with absorbent paper. We have measuring cup. Measuring cup that is a kitchen utensil used for measuring liquid or bulk solid cooking ingredients such as flour and sugar or any ingredients that you want to measure using measuring cup. Next, we have measuring spoon. Measuring spoon used to measure an amount of ingredient, either liquid or dry, when cooking. Measuring spoons may be made of plastic, metal, and other materials. So we have 1/8 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon. Next, we have saucepan. Saucepan, it is a deep cooking pan with a handle used primarily for cooking sauce. Right, next we have mixing bowl. Mixing bowl, these containers have smooth, rounded interior surfaces with no creases to retain some mixture and is used for mixing ingredients. Okay, we're done with the different tools and utensils. So what I presented to you class are the common tools or utensils that we use in preparing egg dishes. So we all know that there are lots of tools and utensils present in our kitchen. So those are just a common type of ingredients that we usually use in preparing egg dishes. Now let's proceed to kitchen equipment. When we say kitchen equipment, those are the articles or implements used or needed for a specific purpose or activity. Again, I repeat, those are articles or implements used or needed for a specific purpose of activity. Okay, so when we say equipment, usually they are electrical operated. Okay, first we have oven. Oven class, it is a chamber or compartment used for cooking, baking, heating, or drying. Okay, next we have electric mixer. That is a handheld mixer which usually comes with various attachments, including a whisk, attachment for whisking cream, butters, and egg whites, and sugar, or in any ingredients that we need to whisk or we need to mix. We can use electric mixer. If we don't have electric mixer, the substitute of it is whisk. Next, we have refrigerator. That is a kitchen appliance where you store food at a cool temperature. Okay, do you have any question, class? Any question? Oh. So a cleaning program that is an overall system should be prepared to organize all your cleaning and sanitizing tasks. The program should also help identify your cleaning needs. Set up a master cleaning schedule, select the supplies and tools to use, and train yourselves to make the best of your skills. So here in cookery class, we are not just going to prepare dishes, but of course, we need to clean the tools, the equipment, and the premises that we use in a specific type of dish. Okay. Cleaning, that is the removal of visible soil while sanitizing. means reducing the number of harmful microorganisms by using very hot water or a chemical sanitizing solution. So to be effective class, cleaning and sanitizing must be two-step processes, meaning after cleaning the tools and equipment, we need to sanitize those equipment and tools that we use. Okay. So there are many cleaning products or agents and a variety of equipment in the market. So choose the best for your workplace and follow instructions in the label. So here are some points to support your workplace training. Okay. First, clean in a logical order. Second, different cleaning tasks require different methods. So getting things wrong can cause damage to surface, harm to yourself, and spread bacteria and dirt. Next, many cleaning agents are harmful. So their contact with your skin or eyes or breathing in the fumes can cause a serious illness. So as much as possible, when cleaning and using cleaning agents, make sure to wear gloves or mask. Next, mixing one agent with another can be very dangerous. A chemical reaction can be set up, or in some cases, produce a poisonous fume. So, if you are not sure with what type of cleaning agents can be mixed together, so do not do it or just ask for the help of of the elder. Manual dishwashing. So again, when we say washing, so what are the procedure in manual dishwashing? First, you need to scrape and pre-rinse. So the purpose of this step is to keep the wash water cleaner longer. And of course, to remove the leftover foods. Next step is to wash. Use warm water at 110 degree Fahrenheit to 120 degree Fahrenheit and a good detergent. Scrub well with a brush to remove all the traces of leftover and grease. Next, rinse. Use clean water to rinse off detergent. Change the water frequently or use running water with an overflow. Next, next, sanitize. After rinsing, we need to sanitize. So place utensils in rack and immerse in hot water at 170 degree Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Like for example, a gas or electric heating element is needed to hold water at this temperature. So if we don't have a gas or electric heating element, we just need to pour in a hot water on the different utensils that we wash in order to sanitize them. Next is drain and air dry. Do not towel dry. This may contaminate utensils. Or when using a towel, of course, we need to make sure that our towel is clean and we use kitchen towel for different kitchen utensils and equipment. So do not use a kitchen towel that you use in wiping equipment. Then after that, you're going to use it in wiping or drying your utensils. So contamination will happen when you do that. Next, how about mechanical dishwashing? So the steps in washing dishes by machines are the same as in the manual methods, except that machine does the washing, the rinsing, and sanitizing. So technically speaking, class, when we say mechanical ware washing, of course, there is a presence of a machine. Okay. What are the procedure in washing using using a machine? Of course, first you need to scrape and pre-rinse. Next, rack dishes so that the dishes spray will strike all the surfaces. Run machine for a full cycle. Set the sanitizing temperatures at 100°F for machine that sanitizes by heat and at 140°F for machine that sanitizes by chemical disinfectant. Then, air dry and inspect dishes. So, do not touch food contact surfaces. Again, so do not touch food contact surfaces. Okay, so that is to do when we use mechanical we are washing. So, do you have any question, class? Clarification? Again, so when we say manual dishwashing, okay, when we say manual dishwashing, again, we need we're going to wash our dishes using our hands. While in mechanical dishwashing, there is a presence of machine. Okay, and the most important thing is after washing, we need to sanitize the different tools, utensils, and equipment that we use in preparing dishes.